In exactly 180 days from today, you can transform from complete beginner to professional LLM engineer. I spent days on researching this roadmap, and it is most detailed roadmap on LLM engineering. And here I will share with you for free. This isn't just another roadmap. It is complete transformation system, and also I am going to follow alongside with you, documenting every day. But most of the roadmaps are complex. They tell you to learn AI, but they don't show how day by day. As a student, we have limited time and resources, so we need something practical. So guys, here you can see this is the complete 180 days roadmap that starts from day 1 to day 180. This isn't just a study plan, it's a 180-day transformation I designed by deep researching. It divided into 6 phases along with resources. Phase 1, Programming Foundation. From beginner to deploying production apps. Python, APIs, Git, Docker, everything for the foundations. Phase 2, Machine Learning with libraries. Using scikit-learn and AutoML to build a complete ML system without complex math. Practical implementation over theoretical perfection. Phase 3, NLP and pre-trained models, where AI magic begins. Hugging Phase, fine-tuning, prompt engineering, transition from using AI to understanding it. Phase 4, LLM Engineering, the core skills companies are hiring for. Vector databases, RAG system, LangChain, building enterprise-level AI applications. Phases 5 and 6, your industry launchpad, portfolio development, resume optimization, interview preparation. By day 180, you are job ready, not technically skilled. Every day has specific topics, clear activity, exact study hours, resources, and hands-on practice. You know exactly what to do. This is your blueprint, your daily orders. Show up each day, follow the plan, and in 180 days you will wake up as a LLM engineer. Download it and make it yours. Let's start building our future together. Practical. Getting started tonight. Step 1. Download the roadmap. Spreadsheet link in the description. Step 2. Set up your tracking system. Daily diary entry or digital like Notion. Prepare your environment. VS Code, GitHub, Python, etc. Step 4. Mental preparation. Commit to the process, not just on code. The pillars of success. Consistency over intensity. 3 hours daily beats 10 hours weekly. Project-based learning. Everything in this roadmap are project-based learning. Share your process. Public accountability. Share your process, no hiding. Your daily ritual. Morning. Review today's task. Set up your environment. Study block. Focus learning, no distractions. Building time. Implement what you learned today. Evening. Diary entry, plan tomorrow. Here our mission starting from tomorrow. Subscribe and hit notification bell for daily updates. Download the roadmap from the spreadsheets, link in the description. Comment day 1, let's build.